Did you know Clydesdales are one of the largest horse breeds? Originating from Scotland, these gentle giants were bred for heavy farm work. Known for their distinctive feathering on their legs, they are truly unique. Clydesdales are also famous for their striking bay color and white markings. They are gentle, intelligent, and great with families. Clydesdales are often seen at parades, showcasing their beauty. Their size and strength make them excellent draft horses. They require regular grooming to maintain their coats and feathering. Clydesdales thrive in social environments, enjoying companionship. Their gentle disposition makes them suitable for therapy work. The Clydesdales' legacy continues to inspire horse lovers worldwide. Discover the beauty and strength of the Clydesdale